Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lollipop decorations using an easy method. First, gather your simple supplies like candy melts and sprinkles. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform plain lollipops into festive treats. This technique is perfect for parties or just for fun. We'll cover melting, dipping, and adding those final touches. Get ready to create some adorable edible art. To begin, you'll need a bag of your favorite lollipops, some colorful candy melts, and an assortment of sprinkles or edible glitter. Make sure you have a microwave-safe bowl for melting and a sheet of parchment paper ready for your decorated lollipops to dry on. A clean, organized workspace will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these sweet decorating tips, please hit that like button and subscribe. And speaking of sweet things, a quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can truly change how you think about money. While it won't help you decorate lollipops, it offers a different kind of sweetness for your financial future. Check the description for a link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Start by melting your candy melts in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Dip each lollipop into the melted candy, covering about 1/2 of the candy pop. While the candy is still wet, immediately add your chosen sprinkles, edible glitter, or other small decorations. Place the decorated lollipops on parchment paper to set completely, which usually takes about 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.